Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your... Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video I'll show you keyhole with straps designing on the chudidar. So let's quickly start with this project. I've trimmed according to my measurements, marking the boat shaped neckline. The shoulder length with 2.5 inches and the neck depth would be of 3.5 inches, connecting these 2 points with the curve shape. Now I'll cut on this marked neckline. अब आप इस वीडियो को हिंदी वर्जन में भी देख सकते हैं। चैनल का लिंक आपके सामने है, नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी अवेलेबल है, तो क्लिक कीजिए अमेजिंग एबीसी फैशंस चैनल को और देखते रहिए लेटेस्ट फैशंस और ट्रेंडी वीडियोस को। लेट्स कंटिन्यू विद द कंसीलिंग ऑफ द नेकलाइन. आई एम यूजिंग द bias strip of 1.5 inches for the concealing of this boat neck. I'll also give the markings of the keyhole, and this I'll be marking diagonally. Apex point will fall on 10.5 inches, so above that means 9 inches. Placing it diagonally, the ruler like this, I'll give the markings. Here we'll make the keyhole and the size would be of 1 inch. So giving the markings on either sides with 1/2 inch like this. Using 1.5 inches bias strip, I have folded and pressed it. Now I'll place this on the neckline right side and I'll give the stitch for the joining. Turn the underneath seam allowance towards this bias strip and I'll give the top stitch. Flipping the bias strip completely towards the back side, I'll give the top stitch. Just away from the neckline, I'll give the top stitch again so that the underneath seam elements will not come out. This you can also give the hand hem. For preparing the keyhole, I'll be using this 2 inches strip. I've already concealed the strip and the same markings I'll be giving on this, and this would be the reference lines for the stitching easily. I'll also make some straps. This is of 2 inches with the length of 8 inches. Now I'll fold it like this. Towards the raw edges, I'll give the stitch for the joining, and to the end like this slantingly. And the 8 strips I'm ready with the stitching. I'll trim off the extras, and this would be the shape of the straps. I turn inside out. And the readily straps would look like this. Now I'll give the markings of 3 inches on this marked diagonal line for the joining of the straps. Now in this marked dots, I'll place the raw edges of the straps like this, and I'll give the rough stitch for the joining. So let's start with the stitching of joining these straps, placing the raw edge Inside this marked lines, I'll give the stitch for the joining. So on the 4 dots on either sides, the straps will be joined. And this is how the straps would look. Now I'll place this strap diagonally on the marked lines, and exactly on this marked shape I'll give the stitch. I'm done with the joining of this strip. I'll snip in the center a little, and exactly on the center line I'll give the slit. Give the angled slits towards corners so that the corner shape will define perfectly. And after pressing, the keyhole would look like this. And the straps, you can see the concealed straps with the keyhole. Now I'll give the top stitch so that the underneath seam allowance will be settled. I'm almost done with this keyholes designing pattern, which could be done on the tops, kurtas, kurtis, whatnot. Try for any patterns and it really gives a gorgeous look. You can see here the final look out. It's a classy and the creative pattern. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Having any suggestions and recommendations, please drop through comments. Thank you so much for watching. If you really enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Until then, see you all. Bye for now.